All right, starting lesson 2.6. All right, example 1 here, we have scatter plots. All right, the scatter plot below shows the time cheese has been aging and the amount of lactic acid present in the cheese. All right, so what's happening here? As the cheese ages, what happens to the amount of lactic acid? It's going up, right? So let's look at the answer choices we have here. Which statement is most strongly supported by the scatter plot? The longer cheese ages, the more lactic acid is present. That is true. We don't even have to look at the other answer choices because that's absolutely true. So just move on. Or you could look at the other ones and as you reason through them, you'll scratch those off. All right, part B. The scatter plot below shows the ages of some children and the distance each child lives from school. Okay, so as the child's age increases, is there any noticeable relationship from the child and their distance to school? No. I mean, distance doesn't increase. It doesn't decrease. There's no obvious relationship. So let's go to the answer choices. Which statement best describes the relationship between age and distance from school? As age increases, the distance from school increases. That's not true. As age increases, the distance from school decreases. That's not true. C. As age increases, the distance from school remains constant. Constant would mean that the distance never changes. It's the same all the way through. That would be constant. That's not true. There's no relationship between age and distance from the school. That is true. The dots are all over the place. Example 2. The number of classic books Nanette sells, plural, in her bookshop varies according to the time of year, as shown in the scatter plot below. Okay, so we got all the months through the year, and it's showing her book sales. Okay, so based on the information in the scatter plot, the number of classic books sold decreases consistently from January through December. January to December. Does it decrease consistently? No. That's not true. All right, how about part B? Increases consistently from January through December. January through December. Does it increase consistently? No. How about C? Decreases until July and then increases until September. All right, so starting at January, increases to July. All right, what's happening? It's increasing, and then it says it decreases until July, and then increases until December, and then decreases to December. So that's not true. D, increases until July, and then decreases until December. All right, so it's increasing until July. That's true. And decreases until December. And it's decreasing until December. That's true. All right, so that's the correct choice. All right, last example. Which scatter plot below shows a negative correlation? All right, now this is a very simple concept. Negative correlation means as your x values are going up, your y values are going down. What's happening in this case? As the x values go up, what's happening to the y values? They're going up. All right, how about for this one? As the x values go up, there is no relationship. All right, it's not going up or down. There's no correlation in this particular example. This right here would be a positive correlation because as one's going up, the other's going up. All right, then here we have a positive correlation as well. And for this one, as the x value goes up, what's happening to the y value? It's going down. All right, that's a negative correlation. All right, so the correct answer choice is B. All right, if you have any questions about these concepts, please make sure to ask. Begin the assignment.